Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be reviewing the Kiss Falscara eyelash extensions. These are good for people with trichotillomania, which is what I have. It helps you not pull your eyelashes out. We are going to be comparing them to the reviews of the Falscara eyelashes. This kit retails about $20 and it is awesome. It comes with a bond and seal in a tube like this. The bond is black and the seal that you put on after is going to be like a white clear. So I'm going to pause it right here actually, because before we get any further, I wanted to tell you that if you do subscribe to my channel, please only subscribe to my channel if you really like watching me, because what it does is it actually hurts my numbers if you subscribe and you don't watch my content whenever it comes out. So if you do choose to subscribe, thank you so much. These are free videos that I make for you guys, and it just takes a little bit of your time and energy. Okay, so this stuff is really easy to put on. I have some eyelashes already on my one eye, and I have none on my other eye. My eyelashes are long enough to the point where I can glue them on, so it's going to help me not want to pull them out. This is the applicator that it comes with, and you brush it on just like mascara, and then you take the applicator and you just put the eyelashes underneath your lash line. Not on top of it, like if you were to do regular eyelash, like strip lashes. And then you can clamp it down together and kind of secure them a little bit more. I push mine up. You'll get used to it, but you would want to do it underneath. And this one comes with 5 lash individuals per each eye. So it comes with 10 eyelashes to put on. You can kind of see it now. I apologize, my camera keeps on getting in and out of focus. And my eyelashes that I have are little, so I have to really get in there good. But hopefully I'm not going to pull them out this time. You guys know how much I struggle with this, and it's real. So if you have trichotillomania, comment hey Trich sister down in the comment section below, guys. And then you go in with the seal and you kind of just put it on like mascara also around the roots of your eyelashes and brushing it on. I was laughing because I was talking to my friend on the phone and she's hilarious. Yeah, so these eyelashes are really awesome. The glue does not dry very hard. Like, it is a pretty good system, I would say. I haven't personally used the Lashify eyelashes, but I've watched the reviews on it, and the Lashify glue I've read works a little bit better than this Falscara glue. But here's the thing, you guys, is that this kit is only $20, and the Lashify kit, I think it's like $125 or $150 depending on which one you get. And it is so affordable, it is so easy to use, and they stay on for, you know, like 3 to 5 days, I would say. And if you apply them really well, then they could apply or stay on like about a week. Before you want to do it, just make sure that you don't have any eye makeup on at all, or any oil type product on your eyelashes, because that will not let the glue adhere to the lashes, bonding your lashes together. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried these. Definitely a lot too. But I really hope that you guys found value, and I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.